Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we will be talking about rock and rockers Dethatcher. This is for my lawn. I have used once already, and I got last week, and I have opened the box this Sunday, and I have used this machine. And this machine I was using and really impressive for me, and I decided to make a video. So in this video, we will be open box and we will be put this machine on work and see how this machine doing. Now I have used only once, and future I will keep using. If I see anything good or bad about this machine, I will put on list. One thing for sure, because this is not wireless or cordless, so it's corded. It's a little bit struggling to run machine on yard with the wire, other than perfect. And the best feature about this machine right now, like say I want to store, because this machine we're gonna use once a while, so you can just lose these handles from here, from here, from here, from here, and you can just put it like here. You can put it away. It's like a foldable. Now let's start open a box and talk the rest. So first let's open. So I believe they don't say, but on any case when you buy electronics, do not open with a sharp knife and just hold from here, just cut a little bit, because you will not damage anything because you're inside it. So now let's open first. On the top I have some handles mounting. That's the first time I'm just giving and opening. So hopefully I have everything what I need. That's, I believe, the catching bag. And I believe this machine will need one piece. Alright. I'm gonna put everything. Now I have pulled out everything out of the box. Let's talk about what we got. Then we will put together and talk a little bit more. I got a machine by itself. It comes with one of auger. It's already installed. This auger is called Scarifier auger. I got extra one auger. This one for Dethatcher. That's all I'm gonna use most of the time. It is corded. We need a 120 volt extension cord plug in here. It is not wireless. Wireless is way expensive. Corded is really cheaper. I bought one for like this one for $190. I'm gonna use it once a while. That's why I just gonna go with corded. I have some more screws and mounting stuff. Instruction manual. I got this catching bag. I'm gonna put everything together. Then we will talk about detail, what model, everything, the size. Let's put together and see how I look, and then we will talk more about specification. So now I have a put together. It was not easy the way I was thinking. I have to struggle. I have to undo couple times because I was messing some stuff. First, like this arm I put other way, and machine was wider. It wasn't a fit, so I had to take these both side off, flip it, put it like that. It fit. Then I messed this one like a coat hanger. Then I have to take it one side again and then put this one on, because this one gonna be really useful to hang a cord so it doesn't get stuck inside. Now since we have put it together, I'm gonna bring the camera closer to the model number and everything. You have all information here. That's the make and model. It's called rocker. But here, if I can't show here, that's the model number, REDM16A, 120 volt, 60 hertz. It's gonna pull 15 amp, and the speed is 3300 RPM. Manufacture was on May 2022, IPX4, and as the safety level, you can see it's going to be 108 dB sound. It is low, but I will recommend always use your earmuffs. So now I haven't changed blade yet, auger or blade, whatever you want. Say I have a Scarifier, but I'm going to use the one used for Dethatcher. So this one. For this one, to change this one, they sent this tool with the machine. So I'm gonna use this Allen wrench to remove the auger they have installed, and I'm gonna install this auger. So one thing I was thinking, how you know which way it is go, but it's really simple. It will not go other way, it will go only one way, as you can see. And one side we have a like half-inch hole, and other side a bearing. So now I'm gonna pick this side up, and I will be able to access under. Here we have an Allen wrench hole. I'm gonna move this side. Here we go. It comes out. This side bearing, you know, flip the way it was, and this side just lock. Now it's ready to go back. Just put screw back, and I'm gonna follow the same instruction in reverse. So now we have installed the auger already for Dethatcher. Machine is ready, and there's only 2 screws, as I mentioned. If I didn't show in a video when I removed, there's only 2 screws. Allen wrench comes with it to remove and swap auger. And second thing, maybe we haven't talked yet about the height. There's a couple options. You have a height 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever the height you want. And it is not auto drive, you have to push. And as we talked earlier, it is 120 volt. The extension cord gonna go here, but there's a lot of more options online you can buy with the power engine, with the battery, wireless, but they're going to be expensive. Since I'm going to use only 1 or 2 times a year, I don't want to spend too much money. So now let's put on work and see how this machine doing, and we will arrange and adjust the height and everything on the yard. Now our Dethatcher is ready to work. Before that, I'm gonna show my front yard. As you can see, all there like a white spot or like a brown spot, they're like different kind of weed grass inside. I don't know what it called. And this one, and I really hate it because each time, every week, when I have to mow the corner or like edging, it's like bad. I show you my grass right now. I'm gonna use for a couple of months and see what this machine does, and we will also check how soon this machine filling that bag and how much dead grass this machine picking up. There is an instruction to start. This is a hand, this is a push and pull. Like push is number 1, pull is number 2. I think for safety, if just in case something happens, you can leave this handle and we'll stop. You gotta push this one first and pull. And that's it. The machine is ready. Now we're gonna start working. One thing I have noticed here, as you can see, the height is on 0. 0 is all the way high. If you go here, is go more down. I'm gonna put on 2 right now. I have just 1 round and collect a lot of, but I have a worse grass right now, so I'm gonna collect more. So I set it to 2 right now. I believe I set to 3 right now. and I can set to 2. And later we will go more deeper and deeper. And also extension cord, I have a lay down like that, might gonna more easy for me. Let's see how it works. So one thing I noticed, my machine was started leaving all the trash behind. It wasn't collecting because my bag is full now. It's gonna collect only that much. Now I have to bring my trash can and we're gonna start dumping every. Every one round it getting fill. My grass is really hell of worse. I should do long time ago, but anyway, I'm gonna go a little bit more high and run as much as I can do, and later I'm gonna do I think 2 or 3 tries, because I don't think so it's gonna work in the first try because it is bad. Hopefully I can save my grass and go back again green. So that's this machine is working really good. I know it's working hard because I go too deep. I'm gonna go to 1 point high, and then I'm gonna do all, and I believe I'm gonna keep it up. And after a couple of months, I'm actually I have to reseed. I'm gonna overseed and see how my grass goes, and after a couple of months, before I think winter, I will show how my grass doing and everything. Hope my video gonna give you some kind of idea what you're looking for. And for sure, one thing is bad for this one is the cord, extension cord. I wish I could buy cordless or power, but the way we talk, as I'm not going to use much, I decided not to spend too much money, but I believe, I don't know. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I will also upload a video in the future if anything good or bad about this machine. That's all for today. Meet you in next video with a new topic.